I have your bank account, little bro. I have your mom in my basement. What kind of reaction is that? How dare you talk about my mom like that? I'm a real hacker, little bro. Do you realize that I could sell your entire family if I wanted? Oh, really? Well, I don't have a family anyway. I'm stealing all of your money, family. You're cooked. That's okay. You can take everything. Seems like you're stupid. Because that's not okay. I'm taking all of your money. Do you realize that? Cool. Wait, you only have 368 in your account? Alamao. What kind of hacker are you? You didn't even check who I am before hacking my bank. I checked. My most reliable database. You've been claimed as a secret billionaire. Wow, what an accurate database. Bro, you really up. I know. Because I just hacked you. What? You should have been more careful, bro. What a joke. Very funny. I know you're just messing with me, bro. Little bro thinks he's a pro hacker. I'm completely serious. I was curious about who was trying to hack me. So I hacked you back. Here's your address. No way. Hope there aren't embarrassing selfies in there. Selfies in the folder named secret stuff. Wait, no. Don't look into this one. Hello? I found it. What did you find? You. Oil up. I'll be there in 20 minutes.